You work hard, you save, you research every investment before you commit. You're doing your best, and that's something to be proud of. But even the strongest shoulders need someone to lean on. Even the most committed minds can feel unsure sometimes. These aren't just financial questions, they are life questions. And behind each one is a dream, a fear, a responsibility. That's where a wealth coach comes in. Not to take over, not to replace your efforts, but to walk with you, to help you see the bigger picture, to remind you of your why when things get rough. When markets fall, when headlines scream crisis, when everything feels uncertain, a coach helps you pause, breathe, and stay on track. Not just for your money, but for your peace of mind. Because financial planning isn't just about wealth, it's about security, freedom, and hope for you and the people you love. DIY investing is empowering, but even the best athletes have a coach, even the best musician have a mentor, even the best pilot need a co-pilot. Money can be complicated, life can be unpredictable. You don't have to figure it all out alone. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe wealth is more than returns. It's about clarity, purpose, and support. And if you're already doing it on your own, maybe it's time to do it with someone who has got your back.